Ever stared at a FavePay voucher, wondering if it's a golden ticket to a world of discounts or a piece of digital confetti? Join the club. We've all been there. But fear not, voucher warriors, because today we're diving deep into the mysterious world of FavePay vouchers. Let's crack the code on how to turn that digital slip into real-world savings. Picture this: you've just scored a killer deal on Fave, and now you're clutching your voucher like a treasure map. But where does this adventure lead? Is it a one-way ticket to a fancy dinner or a bumpy ride to a disappointing dead end? Let's find out. First things first, let's talk about the different types of FavePay vouchers. There's the classic discount voucher, offering you a neat little saving on your bill. Then there's the cashback voucher, which is like finding extra money in your pocket. And let's not forget the dreaded terms and conditions, those pesky little details that can turn your voucher into a ticking time bomb. So, how do you actually use this thing? It's simpler than you think. Most vouchers have a clear expiration date, so make sure you don't let that sweet deal slip through your fingers. Then, there's the matter of where you can use it. Some vouchers are specific to certain stores or restaurants, while others are more versatile. But what happens when things go wrong? Maybe the voucher doesn't work, or maybe you accidentally deleted it. Don't panic. Fave has a customer support team ready to rescue you from voucher despair. We'll show you how to contact them and what to expect. Now, let's get practical. We'll walk you through the step-by-step process of redeeming your voucher, from opening the Fave app to presenting it at the checkout counter. We'll even cover some common pitfalls and how to avoid them. But wait, there's more. We're going to share some pro tips on how to maximize your voucher savings. Learn how to stack vouchers, find the best deals, and avoid common voucher mistakes. And because we know you're always on the lookout for the next great deal, we'll give you some insider tips on how to find the best FavePay vouchers. We'll share our favorite voucher hunting spots and how to stay updated on the latest offers. So, whether you're a voucher newbie or a seasoned pro, this video has something for everyone. By the end of it, you'll be a FavePay voucher expert, ready to conquer any deal and save big. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving.